we're going to be making use of yogurt. Now, because yogurt contains a lactic acid, so it's going to be very ideal in shrinking large and open pores, and it's going to make your skin flawlessly beautiful and smooth. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna be taking 1 tablespoon of the yogurt. Now you have to use a unsweetened yogurt, okay? That would work so well. And then we're going to be making use of Fuller's Earth clay powder. Now this is one natural home remedy that works so much in shrinking the pores on the skin and removing wrinkles and as well as fine lines. And then for the Fuller's Earth, now 1 teaspoon of that will be okay. And then we're going to be making use of egg. Now egg is the #1 remedy to shrinking the skin large pores, and it therefore leaves the skin glowing, smooth and tighter. So it will prevent double chin, double jawline and pigment. And for the egg, we're going to be needing just the whites of the egg, okay? So we're going to abandon the yolk this time and make use of just the whites. And also we're going to be making use of aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a natural home remedy that helps to leave the skin youthful and radiant, and it will therefore help to remove dry and irritated skin. It moisturizes the skin and it removes sunburn. So it's going to be perfect in getting rid of large and open pores. So you can actually use the fresh aloe vera if you can't get hold of this. And then we're going to be putting in aloe vera. 1/2 tablespoon of aloe vera into this would go a long way. And now time to stir. So we're going to stir and give it a little time for it to mix very well. Alright, so for a large and open pores, guys, you need to use this home remedy, and you'll be surprised how it's going to shrink all of your large and open pores. Alright, and also you can actually use this 2 times in a week. It's not something you have to use every day, okay? And it's so good in the eyes, okay? Alright, so you know, most of the time, okay, so here's the treatment, guys. Most of the time you have large and open pores around the T area, from here down here and to the nose, down this way and this way and also this way, okay? So that's why you tend to produce more oil on that part. So that is the part in which I'm going to be applying this home remedy. So it will tighten that side up. Alright, so most of the time you tend to produce oil around this place, okay, that I just applied this. So if you notice that, then you apply it on that part, okay. But otherwise, if you think that you have oily skin, meaning that there's a possibility that you're going to produce oil everywhere on your face, so you have to apply it everywhere on your face, okay. So for this treatment, you have to keep it dry. Most definitely you have to leave it for it to dry up, and when it dries, then you can wash it off, okay. So I'm gonna leave mine to dry, and I'm gonna go wash it off later, okay, because I need that place to tighten up. And yeah guys, that's it. If you did love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video because it deserves to be shared, right? Yeah, go try it. I know you'll be like, oh, does it work? Yes, it does work. Yes, it does work, and it will therefore make your skin glowing and very smooth. You know, when your pores is shrink and very tiny, you're not going to produce oil so much. So with that, your skin is going to be smooth, and basically that's what you need. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.